Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to set up and use personal voice for your iPhone. Now what this will do is clone your voice, and you'll be able to type on the keyboard and do text-to-speech. This is good if you have a disability or if you're sick, for example, don't want to talk, stuff like that. Alright, now it's pretty simple, so first just go into your settings and go down to accessibility. Then you're going to scroll down to under speech, press on personal voice. Now I'm going to show you how to actually use this, and I'll show you a sample right after. But you're going to press on create a personal voice. Now it is saying it's going to take about 15 minutes because you have to say 150 phrases. So just press continue. It's just saying find a quiet place, speak naturally, and take your time. You actually can save this and come back to it. Just press continue. Then give it a name and press continue. Just one example, of course, not going to go through all of them. But it's going to press the record button. I'm creating a personal voice with my iPhone. Alright, so good to go. Just press continue. And yeah, just go through the steps and I'll see you in a few. Do you know where the restroom is? Do you know where the restroom is? Alright, so it took some time, definitely a lot of re-recording, but when you're done, just press continue. Now I'm going to show you guys how to set it up. If you want, just press allow for notifications. Now for this to process, you're going to have to plug in and charge your phone and lock your screen. Alright, so it took about a full day for my phone to process, but that does not have to be continuous. Let me just bring that up. But yeah, you see the notification. Now to get that set up, just go in your settings and go to accessibility. Next, you're going to scroll down to live speech, and it's turn on live speech. Now you're going to press on where it says under voices, select English. Now you're going to select personal voice and just make sure it's checked off. Alright, so now anytime you press the side button 3 times, you see at the bottom you can type to speak. So this, for example, alright guys, thanks for watching and subscribe for more tech tips. Yeah, so not the best, but I'm sure they'll keep improving it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.